As we reach the end of today's conclave, I invite Mr. Rajan Raje, Nikem Solutions, to deliver the closing remarks and vote of thanks for the day.
See, I have instructions to wind up fast because as it is, we are delayed by about 15-20 minutes. And as Srini said, that the dinner is there, which is the most tempting aspect, hopefully. So it is my pleasure to thank everyone here. We had wonderful, thought provoking sessions. I enjoyed myself. So, on behalf of Bombay Chamber of Commerce and Industries and my personal behalf, I extend our heartfelt gratitude to all the distinguished speakers and guests for enriching this conclave with their valuable insights, experience, and perspective. I would like to express my thanks to Sandeep Khosla for delivering the welcome address, Srini for effectively setting the context, and Mr. Sunil Mathur, whose insights were really thought-provoking. I told him even before we came in, we were talking about it, and I told him whatever you are talking is really disruptive because he said everybody keeps talking about the difficulties, the lack of finance, lack of manpower, so on and so forth. But he said that the Indian economy is at such stage where the opportunities are so immense that everyone, including MSME, has to look for the opportunities rather than the difficulties. He says the difficulties will always be there, but if you start looking positive, then you will start getting the solutions. And I admired that. I appreciated that being a MSME stakeholder myself. I think he gave me a completely different thought process or angle. I also thank the consul generals who came here from Oman, from Indonesia, and from South Korea, who presented the opportunities what exists in their countries for the MSMEs or the industry, Indian industry per se. Then I also thank Ms. Rajalakshmi Kadam, Consul Trade and Consul General of India, New York, who presented the Indo-US Trade Facilitation Portal, and I'm sure that one is going to be really effective for our increasing the trade relationship and trade content with US. Everybody struggles, I know, to increase the trade with US due to current geopolitical situations, but irrespective, the distances are such that even if you want to increase the trade with US, the distance and the cost really matter. So I'm sure this portal is going to be really helpful, especially for MSME. I also extend the gratitude to Mrs. Girija Subramaniam, Chairman cum Managing Director of New India Assurance, and her entire team who for the successful launch of the new product and for sharing valuable insights during the initiative. I would like to thank Harish Narayanan, who is part of Bombay Chamber, but the product which he has developed is very exciting. I mean, I myself, typically the MSMEs, they have lack of understanding of the entire 360-degree angle of the business. So this one product what he has developed, the program he has developed, I'm sure it is really going to make the life very easy for the MSMEs. Then I thank Mr. Amit Sachdev, CEO of M1 Exchange, who again presented a different financing product for MSMEs. I have been knowing and hearing about M1 Exchange, but or the TradeX. Everyone in MSME must very openly and positively look at this financing option. Finally, I express my gratitude to the valuable support of our partners, the insurance partners, New India Assurance Company, associate partner, CRIF Solutions, India Private Limited, IDBI Bank, and supporting partners, Punjab National Bank, LIC Mutual Fund, and Embern Exchange. And finally, all of you, without your presence, without your enthusiasm, without your support, this conclave would never have been possible or successful. So keep trusting us, keep trusting BCCI. We are always trying our best to find out the areas or the support which the MSME needs continuously. Keep giving us your feedback, so we'll keep improving and we'll keep doing better and better. At BCCI, we have typically 4 conclaves in a year, so your feedback is going to make us better every quarter. So thank you once again and enjoy the dinner.